I got inspired by this book called Rich Dad Poor Dad. The guy is so good at brainwashing. Basically, he said, as an employee, you cannot be rich. So you as an employee, 23, 24-year-old at point of time, you panic already. So what to do next? He said, there's only two ways to get rich. One, to become an investor. The other one is to become a business owner. So I started studying of all the investment asset class. Which one is suitable for a poor guy like me? Poor means don't have capital, have very few ringgit in your bank account. It turns out, after looking at gold, stocks, whatever you can name it, property was the only asset class I can actually own without using money. So the logic straightforward: get rich slowly. You take a 100% loan, get your tenant to pay for it for the next 30 to 35 years. I just don't have to fuck up in terms of the execution of finding tenant. As long as I can find tenant, I'm good. The property becomes free for me. Therefore, I begin to pursue this knowledge. I begin to interview people with 3, 5, 10 properties. Then I find out how they do zero down deals, etc. I always tell people that the higher your knowledge is, the lower your risk and the lower the capital that you need when it comes to property. And the lower your knowledge is, higher the capital and the risk that you need to take.